In this week's episode, we review the latest fresh produce prices in South Africa and see that orange prices remained 72% higher compared to last year, while improved demand towards the end of the month can support prices on the markets. All in this week's episode, so make sure to stay tuned. Hi, I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe and welcome to this week's AMT Standard Bank Fresh Produce Market Outlook, all made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Toyota Ottery and Zimmatic irrigation systems. You can visit our website at amtrends.co.za to see the latest prices, access the latest detailed reports and get some extra information while you're there as well. You can also view the latest videos on AMT's YouTube and Facebook channels or join one of our WhatsApp groups. But with that said, let's see what happened in the markets over the past week. The rand weakened again to 80.70 per US dollar, with the US dollar gaining some support. Brent oil prices have remained within a certain range since the beginning of last month and are now trading at $74 per barrel. Global growth outlook remains lower, while lower production resulted in prices to remain mostly sideways. In the vegetable market, however, the potato price decreased slightly to 72.40 per 10 kg bag, which is still 58% higher compared to last year. The slight decline in the price was mostly due to lower middle month demand, which we saw in the markets last week. Volumes are likely to start increasing from Limpopo especially, which can result in prices to start trickling downwards. As mentioned, improved demand, however, towards the end of the month can support the prices over the next week. As expected, the tomato price decreased to R5.76 per kilogram, which is about 53% lower compared to last year at the same time. The northern production regions are in full production at the moment, with weather still looking relatively good, which could result in prices to stay on a lower level for now. However, improved demand towards the end of the month can maybe result in a slight price increase. Carrot prices again decreased, trading 8% lower week on week on R3.46 per kilogram. From June to November, however, we are still expecting significantly lower carrot prices as volumes are traditionally very high over this period. Onion prices also decreased, with 21% more volumes reported on the markets the past week. The average price traded 12% lower on R10.02 per 10 kg bag, which is still 80% higher compared to a year ago. Expect these prices to remain in a downward trend for now as we move towards the northern production areas, which can mean higher volumes on the markets. This broadcast is made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Toyota Ottery and Zimmatic irrigation systems. Nile's online market makes it possible to order directly from South Africa's leading producers. Producers get the benefit of better price transparency, lower commissions and faster payments. Learn more about Nile.ag on their website www.nile.ag. For a journey of a lifetime, let Toyota Ottery help you find your first price. For more information, contact their dealer principal and review them directly on 083 457 8057 and get the best price and service nationwide for the Toyota of your choice. The average pepper price, however, decreased by 5% the past week to R10 per kilogram, with green pepper prices increasing to R9.29. Red pepper prices, however, decreased to R11.60, while yellow peppers decreased by a massive 20% to R10.76. The average pepper price is likely to stay on a lower level for the remainder of this month, but possibly start to gain some support from the start of next month. Other vegetable prices traded as follows: cabbages on R2.92, garlic on R68.08, spinach on R4.38, pumpkins on R4.06, while sweet potato prices decreased to R3.49 last week. Looking at the fruit markets, however, the banana price decreased by 2% week on week to R6.98, with this price likely to stay in a downward trend in June and July due to higher expected production levels and volumes on the markets over this period. Apple prices increased by 2% to R8.38, while pear prices stayed sideways on R8.30 per kilogram. Both these prices are still likely to remain in a slight downward trend over the next month or so. As mentioned at the start, Orange price has decreased by 5% to R2.95 per kilogram and is currently on extremely low levels due to high volumes. But this price is about 72% higher compared to last year this time. We're still expecting this price to stay on a lower level during June and maybe pick up slightly over the next month, as we might expect slightly lower volumes. Our prices decreased to R16.22 last week and was mostly driven by higher volumes on the local markets as well as lower demand. Our prices can however remain in an upward trend as we move towards the end of the year, when we expect volumes to start to decrease. The table grape price traded on R72.57, with the pineapple price decreasing to R5.92. Zimmatic irrigation systems are built to last. From industry-leading durability and strength to innovative enhancements and advanced technology, every product is designed to be a part of a custom and flexible solution that will best support you and your field. These videos are made possible by Standard Bank, Nile.ag, Halfway Toyota Ottery, and Zimmatic Irrigation Systems. I'm Dr. Johnny van der Merwe, and thank you for watching.